Hey guys! If you're serious about making money on Amazon, then Helium 10 is the tool you need in your arsenal. Whether you're just starting out or already running a successful store, Helium 10 helps you discover winning products, boost visibility, and scale your business faster. In this video, I'll break down what Helium 10 is, how it can help you, the pricing plans, and of course, the best discount deals available. Let's dive in. With a database of over 450 million products, it helps you identify profitable niches and find top-selling products with strong margins. But it's not just about product research. Helium 10 also helps optimize your existing listings with tools like Magnet, their powerful keyword research feature. Magnet gives you access to millions of Amazon-specific search terms and long-tail keywords. This helps you rank higher, target the right customers, and ultimately boost conversions. The starter plan is perfect for beginners. It includes tools like Review Insights. It's $39 per month or $29 per month if billed annually. The Platinum plan is ideal for growing sellers. You get access to Magnet, keyword tracking, and more. It costs $99 per month or $79 per month with annual billing. The Diamond plan is the powerhouse. You get full access to all tools, including AI listing optimization and advanced keyword sales tracking. It's $270 per month or $229 per month annually. Now for the good part, discounts. Use coupon code GOPLM in Ibiza and receive 40% off for 12 months. Applicable only for selective countries. And if you use our special affiliate link in the description, you'll unlock exclusive deals you won't find anywhere else. If you're ready to level up your Amazon business, Helium 10 is the way to go. Hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've tried Helium 10 or plan to.